You know, I gotta stop recording these in my house, but it's cold outside, so. What's going on, everyone? Today is a big day, just like the other days. We have a bike reveal to do. So there she is in all her glory. So as we can see, there are a few pieces that are still missing from the bike. The SC77, this is the platform that I built this off of. The headlight is a main component in the front end of holding everything together. So unfortunately, because I am still waiting on my carbon fairings, and those are track fairings, so I will not have a headlight with the track fairings. But for now, unfortunately, there is a giant gaping hole that you need a headlight for. That the pieces that surround the headlight and hold up the intake tubes, it's all held up by the headlight. So unfortunately, and these headlights are not cheap. The SC77 headlights, I mean, the cheapest I've heard is $600 for the headlight housing. So I know from Honda, it's like, I think it's $1,200. So unfortunately, we gotta bite the bullet on that because I need the headlight in order to run it. Otherwise, besides that and a Brakemaster cylinder, she's complete. The bike is together. She's all set up. Forks are lowered. All that good stuff. It's a running bike. I don't want to start it yet because it is loud, boy, but what do we think? What do we think of the color? I have always loved Nardo Gray. It's just been a favorite color of mine for, I don't care if it's played out. You know, I'm stuck in my ways of colors I like, and Nardo Gray is one of them. But Nardo with the red accents, but then those Roto Blocks carbon wheels, boy, ooh. Got the red hoses from Samco, the red rear shock, the JRI rear shock, the Carbo Moto rear subframe. I mean, we got it all, man. But like I said, there's still a few small pieces that I need to work on to, you know, get it fully complete. But it runs not that well. I'm waiting for EJR. He's gonna end up, he's gonna come out tomorrow and give me a base map just so the bike can idle, because right now it kind of struggles with it. As many of you know, I have a Stage 3 Motorworks head build done on this bike. So it's got the bigger cams, it's got the port and polish, and it is gulping air, but doesn't have any fuel to make up for it. So EJR is gonna come give me a base map so the bike will just run better. I just wanna make sure that it's halfway decent for Miami so I can go down there and at least I can get set up and be running. But I had it up on the stand, I'm shifting it, the transmission shifts great. I got my brand new EK chain with that, I don't know what it is, but I love the gold. The driven rear sprocket, but we will be changing out the sprockets. I will not be giving out that information of what teeth sprockets I'm running. Unfortunately, you gotta decide what's best for you. I know what I need to do, so I know what sprockets I'm gonna run. So, but yeah, what do we think of the bike? Other things to note. This is a stock frame seat that Rowdy built, my boy who helped me out and finish up the bike with me yesterday. We basically put this whole thing together yesterday. He custom wrapped this, and he also drilled it out. So this thing is like, it's crazy light, but it's actually a stock forming seat. So it sits just right in the cradle, whatever you want to call it. But I just like the way it looks. But this is huge. So I'll probably do another video of what this build ended up costing me. Obviously, I did go a little exotic with some of the parts that I have. You don't need these pieces, but I will say this, that with some of the exotic stuff I have, including the motor that does, you know, you're not just buying a stock motor, you're in like brand new BMW range.
Not sure on the weight yet. I have an estimate of what I think it weighs. I have a funny video of me already lifting up the front end, like physically deadlifting it, because I have an idea of what the bike weighs, but we're gonna get an official weigh-in down in Florida. But
thank you everyone for being part of this build, following along with everything. As many of you know, this has been quite the process. But we did it, boys. We did it. She's complete, in her glory.
She's ready to create a muck, if you will.
So Miami's the end of this month. I'll be down there. Hopefully I can see a few of you, many of you. Hopefully you know, there's a lot of people that are going, so I'm excited for this meet. But everybody, thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe if you're interested in following on the build and how this bike is gonna perform this year. So Honda gang, right? Let's go. Have a great day, everybody.